Today, we will be replacing the stock halogen fog lights on this 2018 Nissan Murano with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The bulbs are located here, and we can access them from inside the wheel well. To remove the cover, take out this locking tab and 3 bolts underneath. Remove the locking tab with something flat, like this screwdriver and clip remover. Then remove the 3 bolts. Now we can pull the cover back and access the bulbs. The bulb is located here. Push down on the connector to unplug the bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. We will replace it with this LED bulb from Ayla Lighting. The chuck of the bulb matches with the original halogen bulb for easy plug-and-play installation. Same as the connector. This bulb is extremely thin to prevent any dark spots. The LED chip matches up with the filament of the halogen bulb. Now install the bulb by lining up this top tab on the bulb with this notch in the housing. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock it into place. For the best light output, make sure the bulb is installed vertically, with the LED chips facing left and right. Plug the bulb into the wire connector. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. This bulb is polarity sensitive. If it's not working, you can flip the connector. This bulb has a double rubber ring that allows you to adjust its orientation, and a stop lock to lock it into the housing. With this method, it is easy to adjust the bulb. Here is a 2018 Nissan Murano with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness and color temperature from the original halogen bulb.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.